Hi, and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to connect your personal and business Outlook email accounts to Flowlu. This integration helps your team work better and keeps everything organized. Let's get started. First, we'll set up your personal Outlook account. You need to activate IMAP. This lets Flowlu interact with your email. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then click Mail, then Forwarding and IMAP. Turn the Let Devices and Apps Use IMAP option on. For business Outlook accounts, the IMAP configuration process is different. Visit the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Go to Active Users, pick the user, click Mail, then Manage Email Apps. Choose IMAP and save. If you can't access the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, ask your organization's admin for help. Now, go to Flowlu and make sure the email app is there. If not, install it from the Flowlu app section. To connect your Outlook, open the email app in Flowlu. Just click the icon and choose Outlook. If you've connected an email before, click the three dots, then press the Add New Account button and choose Outlook. In the new window, click Sign In and let Flowlu access your email. After connecting, you can set up how your emails sync. Put a name for your email in the email field. This simplifies identification if you connect more than one mailbox. Choose how far back you want to sync emails, from 1 day to several months. Then, choose how often Flowlu checks for new emails, from every 1 to 30 minutes. Your Flowlu plan determines how far back and how often you can sync, so check your plan for details. Add an account name and sender name to stay organized. Check the boxes at the bottom to turn on email tracking. Open Tracking notifies you when someone opens your email, and Click Tracking alerts you when someone clicks a link. The CRM tab lets you automatically create opportunities and contacts from new email addresses, so you don't miss any leads. The Access tab lets you control who can access the mailbox, either by setting permissions to user roles in bulk or individual users. Click Activate to finish connecting. After a short wait, your Outlook emails will show up in Flowlu. There are more settings you can configure. Click the three dots, then Settings. You'll see Folders and Signature. In Folders, choose which folders to sync, Inbox, and Sent are on by default. You can also choose where sent, done, or deleted emails go. In Signature, you can make a custom email signature with text, pictures, videos, and links. Flowlu helps you save time by automating email tasks. To set this up, click the three dots and choose Automation. You can create automation rules. All the rules will be listed here. Click Create Rule to bring up a list of options. You can automatically send notifications, create tasks, schedule events, and more, based on what happens with your emails. Flowlu also helps you write emails faster with templates. When writing a new email, you can save it as a template. Just click the three dots and choose Save as Template. Give your template a clear name. Change the subject and email text if you need to, and use the formatting tools to make it look good. You can even add variables for opportunities and contacts to automatically put in information for each person you send it to. Make the template public to make it available to all users. Click Save to save your template. You can find, sort, filter, and delete all your templates in the Template Management menu. Finally, click the gear icon in the Email module for more settings. Here, the portal admin can give access to all email accounts to the module administration. You can also set permissions for user roles and view all email accounts connected to your Flowlu portal. That's it. You connected your Outlook email to Flowlu. Now you can manage your emails right inside Flowlu, which is much more efficient. Thanks for watching.